Hello, my name is Sami Subhan.
And I am Wael Hanna.
And I'm Vanessa Hello.
Today we are going to show you how to search a clinical scenario on MedLine.
The first clinical question is, in teens trying to quit smoking, is cognitive behavior therapy more effective than nicotine replacement therapy? We will try to get the PICO elements of this question. The P for population is teens trying to quit smoking. I for intervention is cognitive behavior therapy. C for comparison, we're comparing cognitive behavior therapy to nicotine replacement therapy. And the outcome, O, is effectiveness of quitting smoking. The type of question is therapy.
So first we're going to divide the scenario into the different concepts that we have. The first concept is smoking cessation. So we'll try to look for the mesh for that. We type smoking cessation and search for it. Okay, so we have it as mesh. We can check the tree to see if we have any relevant submeshes. So we don't have anything below it, so there's no need to explode here. We continue, we include all subheadings by default. And here we have our first concept ready. The second concept is cognitive behavior therapy. So we will try to search for that. We also have it as a mesh. We can check the tree to see if we have any relevant submeshes. So we have two submissions that sound relevant to our topic, so we would want to include that. So we can explode the cognitive behavior therapy. We include all subheadings. And now we'll move on to the third concept, which is nicotine replacement therapy.
Okay, so now for our third and final concept, it's nicotine replacement therapy. So first we try to search for it. Okay, so we didn't find exactly the mesh that we want. So we have to look for the most relevant mesh, if there is any. So first the smoking cessation. This is not what we want. We want nicotine replacement. So there is smoking. You can see its definition under the scope. It seems to talk about the act of inhaling and exhaling smoke, which is not what we want here. So we go back. Let's try nicotine. Scope. Okay, so under the scope it seems to be talking about nicotine as a neurotransmitter, and this is also not what we want here. So what about tobacco use cessation devices? Let's see its meaning under scope. Oops. Okay, so the scope is devices or delivery system used to aid in ending a tobacco habit. And if we look under used for nicotine delivery devices, nicotine nasal sprays, nicotine replacement products. Okay, so this does seem to be what we want. So this is the mesh that we want. We click on it to access the tree. Okay, so there is one submesh under it, which is nicotine chewing gum, and this also seems relevant. So we just explode the mesh. And we move on. We also include all subheadings by default. Okay, so now that we have our three concepts, it's time to search for the question as a whole. And we can do this by combining the three concepts using the AND Boolean operator. So we can type 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, press search. Okay, so the results of our search showing that we got 58 results.
question is targeting teens, so we're going to specify them by using the limits tool by clicking here under the search box. Since there's no limit by age here, we're going to click on additional limits, and then we're going to limit by the age group. We want teens, so we're going to search for teens or adolescents. This one fits our search. And then we're going to click on limit search. After we limited for age, we got 10 results. And then we can go check each article to see if it's relevant.
Thank you.